Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you get notified when we post future videos. Like this video to motivate me to continue making videos and sharing the knowledge and stuff that I know for free. If you're looking for robots, forex systems, indicators and things like that, visit the two blogs. Links are in the description box below. There are pages and pages of content, so just go through the blogs and you might find what you're looking for. Okay, so today I'm going to do a quick analysis of Nas100, the Nasdaq 100, and what we might look for in the coming week, starting tomorrow, the 16th of November. As usual, use this analysis at your own risk because things might change. Who knows? Something might just happen in the United States that might affect the market. So this is technical analysis. It's Sunday today, so it's basic technical analysis, and something might happen that might change the whole picture. But let's just get into the charts and see what we might expect from tomorrow. Let's put in our support and resistance. I love my support and resistance right close to the bodies somewhere around there. This is on the daily chart. This is on the daily chart. So basically, as you can see from our quick plotting of the charts there on the daily chart, the market is in a bit of some range here. We are not sure whether the market is going to continue going up yet. If it's going to go up, my probable target is for now this level. That's around about 12123.22, something like that. And if we are going to be dropping down, that will be around 11540.03. This is the daily chart. Let's drop down to the 4-hourly and see what is happening. Of course, like I've been teaching in the free forex course that I've been doing on the other channel, these lines are not to be taken as exactly because we are dealing with zones. So you can see price has been bouncing off there, and if we extend this, I'm trying to select this. Okay, finally it happened, but something like this. At the moment on the 4-hourly, we have price being held at this point. We have price being held at this point. However, we've got this candle here is on the 4-hourly is the rail tracks. I don't know if the correct one, the rail tracks, or if it had two pins there, it was going to be a tweezer. So what we are waiting to see, or what I am waiting to see, is what price is going to be doing here, whether it's going to drop back down to our support or it's going to be pushing up, and my first level of interest will be there. From there, if it continues, maybe we might see a breakout and probably a retest before price continues. We've been beyond this point already. We've been beyond that point already. For now, if it does happen that it's not going to break out, so we might actually see a drop, or we are going to see price again coming to this area here. Price seems to be consolidating in this area. So from here, it might simply come back here and go back up. If it doesn't break that, then might go back down, or it might do this and go back up and continue going up. So this is basically my outlook on nasdaq, nas100. Between this level and that level, we have got some 1000, nearly 1680 pips, nearly 1680 pips. And from this level to this level, we have got some 1000, nearly 1524. If it happens that we quickly break down, we are looking at something like 3720 pips to the downside. So yeah, nas100 is kind of in a consolidation area on the 1-hour chart, but if we kind of zoom out to the 4-hourly, that's where we are. We have some potential of going back up and basically reaching this level, of which we might break out and continue going up if that happens during this week, or we might actually continue with the consolidation and we go back down to this level. Okay, like this video, motivate, that's the okay, like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, leave a comment in the comments box below. I enjoy reading your comments and your thoughts. Yes, my thoughts on nasdaq, so I would like to hear what you think. Until next time, bye.